everybody, Okami MCPE, and today I'll be doing the index rollover. Now this video is going to be a little bit of a longer video, I guess, mainly because I'm trying to get it over my index finger, catching this part and then closing it again. I'm guessing that this trick isn't supposed to be, it's just for looks, not really, combat. You're not gonna whip it out and shank somebody. You're gonna take it, flip it on your finger, catch it, and then close it again. And if you are in combat, kind of look dumb. Like they're gonna look at you like, was that supposed to happen? But then you can catch it like this and do the Zen rollover. And then you're gonna be real cool afterwards, and everybody's gonna be like, well, look at him spinning in biz. But anyways, yeah, I'm trying to do that index rollover, and it's difficult because I'm not doing wrong. So look, you take it like this, spins around. You don't use that finger, spin it around, but I'm going to slow-mo, so I'm gonna have to because there's no momentum pushing the blade to make it go fast across my fingertip. Darn it. And catch it. Alright. Last try for today. I did it. Alright, well, guys, I done did it. See you guys tomorrow. Have a nice day. Okami out.